In this video, I'm going to show you how to use this AIM builder. We're at the download page. Download the software here, video tutorials, and the AIM builder, the Atomic Intent Mesh builder. The video I'm making is going to appear here, so you click on this link, which brings you here. You enter the email address that you use to start your software. For me, it's this one. Now there are two parts. First of all, we build individual pages with this section. Then once we've built all the individual pages, then we go to this one to create the index page for the mini site, which includes the sitemap XML and LLMs.txt. So let's get stuck into it. Okay, so you put one of your shadow queries here, and that will be this one. Full business information. So I have this document here with all of this. So Control A, Control copy, paste. That's it. It all goes in there. And a link to an image that will be the hero image of the listicles. That's it. And you click on Generate Gemini Prompt. And you can see it's generating the prompt there. Very cool. This takes around 2 minutes. So I'll pause and come back. So there you go. That took a minute or two. This is the prompt. And you follow the instructions. Copy and paste the prompt below into Gemini. So copy to clipboard, Gemini. And it's important. Click on Canvas and paste. Boom. Very cool. I'll pause. I've designed a high-performance SEO optimized listicle page centered on the verbatim shadow query. This page is built for maximum speed and machine readability, featuring a clean card-based layout, integrated local business, and item list schema, and the specific metadata configurations you requested. Very cool. And this is it. Very, very cool. So now you copy this, go to code, Control A, Control C, to your text editor, file, save as. Interestingly, we also put the file name there, then save it as a HTML file. Beautiful. Now we go back here and you go to your next, shadow query. Paste it in there and then click on Generate Gemini Prompt again, and that will create another image. While it's doing that, go back here, Gemini, Canvas. This prompt will pop up in a second, and you just rinse and repeat. And you do that for as many times as you would like internal pages on this mini site that you are building. Perfect. Copy to clipboard, paste it there. I'll pause this. Here is the second one we've created. Perfect. That's the file name. Save as. Perfect. Code. Control A, Control C. Paste. Done. Now we have 2 pages. Now you continue to do that for as many pages as you like. I like mini sites to be around 10 to 15 pages is a good number. And then once you've done that, go back here and go to the Atomic Intent Mesh builder. So you just tap on there, press Control V, and now the AI can just read all your file names instead of you having to type them all out. Main URL, main image URL, and then click on Generate. This is an amazing script. This does so much work in the background. So there you go. It has read this image, provided these files, and now from the content it's picked up in the file names, it has come up with 3 SEO optimized folder names to choose from. I like to go for the longest tail. That means that if we send links to this URL, we can grab Google traffic as well. So search engine traffic on top of the ChatGPT or AI traffic. So click on there. This is very cool. So now you can download the sitemap.xml, the llms.txt, or get the index file and it will build it for you, or you can copy this prompt to Gemini if you'd like to update it. But all you need to do is click on download the index file. In the background, that is using the Gemini API, and it is building out that index file for you, and I'll show you what it looks like. So in the background, it's building out that index page for you. It takes 120 seconds, and there it is. So you save this to the same folder name, your index file. Beautiful. At the same time, now you can download the sitemap.xml to the same folder and your llms.txt to the same folder. Perfect. So now you have that index file inside the folder, your sitemap.xml, and all your internal pages, and this is what it looks like. This is the index page, which is a listicle which points to all of the internal listicle pages. Perfect. That goes to the main site. Sweet. You got to be happy with that. So here's the index page again, and if you look at the source code, you'll see all the structured schema. Very, very efficient. Perfect. Now just upload this folder to a bucket site, AWS, put it on your domain. You can also register, which I highly recommend, is a new domain in this niche, obviously using your keyword phrases in the domain, because these are such long tail keyword phrases. They don't need a domain with authority to rank, because these pages are so optimized that they will rank for these long tail terms just too easy, as you can imagine. And if you've got my other softwares, it's obviously too easy to send out links to this folder, which I would do, so you can go for these more search volume terms in Google and get traffic from Google as well. In the next video, I'm going to talk about mining. The whole idea is to collect as many shadow query terms as possible related to your niche for every different variation of different questions asked in relation to your niche. So this is one mini site with 21 pages. You want to build out as many of these as possible. So when people ask any question in relation to your niche, it's highly likely that the shadow queries that ChatGPT uses is going to be covered by the volume of these pages that you have in the bin index. And you'll get discovered for everything. You can basically completely and utterly dominate your niche by covering every anticipated question. And I'll go into that more in the next video.